Guys, welcome back to Marketing Teardown. We're your hosts, Andrew and Travis, and today we're going to give the final verdict on a company called Liquid Death. They sell edgy water designed to murder your thirst, and we've been tearing them down for several episodes now, and this is the final take, a final score, the final verdict on where their marketing is at. So let's get into it. Overall, you can see our score matrix right here. We've got them at an 8.5. Not bad. Not bad, I would say.
Yeah, they're run by marketers. They know what they're doing. And usually when you see somebody lean into brand this hard, you're going to worry about their marketing technology. So strategy, they get a 7 because they're focused literally on brand as hard as they can. They're going deep into an individual niche that's really, really smart. And so we give them a 7 for strategy. Their website, it's fairly good for a D2C, but their purchasing flow really, really sucks.
Yeah. And honestly, I mean, you see where this is weighted, right? 10 on brand, 10 on lateral marketing, 9 on positioning. I mean, this is where they're winning right now. And the other stuff, the overall strategy, website, and channel strategy. I mean, these are the more of the, I would say on the tactical side, more so than kind of the big picture of what they're building as a brand. They're clearly winning as a brand. They're clearly positioning themselves in a solid place in the market, and they're super fucking creative. Like, they've got amazing ideas. They execute their campaigns brilliantly. But when it comes to the actual tactics, especially on an e-commerce, especially on a retail kind of side of things, we talked about this before, but it's that line between entertainment and retail and commerce, and where they put themselves on that, and that comes out through the website, where they have in our opinion, a purchasing flow that could be improved way more than where it is at right now, because it's trying to be entertaining, it's trying to be fun. But I think in the process, it loses a lot of those commerce elements of, like, we want people to buy the product, and then you also don't get the full entertainment experience. So it's a tough line to walk for sure. But that's where I think they could potentially improve the most.
Yeah, and then in their positioning too, they're nailing it. We think they would be severely benefited by repeat purchases. That's kind of tough. As we said, brand is nailing it. I don't think there was just anything they could do to improve the brand for what they're doing right now, as far as like who they're targeting and going really deep and being authentic. You had a couple of things to say about their channel strategy. I totally agree with. We wanted to say that you should push video a little bit harder, maybe go into streaming a little bit, since cost is very low. You can reach a massive audience. Everybody's at home. Hulu, TV, programmatic, all of that. Our gas station idea, where we thought it would be hilarious if they took some awesome creative and put it in front of people at those gas station TVs, because the barrier to entry creatively is so low. They're so bad. The only hurdle there is getting the executives to approve it, because they're going to be afraid of it. It's going to be a little weird for them.
Oh yeah. People don't understand this. That's the thing. You don't see a lot of brands like this, because especially at bigger companies and people that put their reputations on the corporate line, like, they just don't understand this. It doesn't click with the culture. It doesn't click with the vibe. So it could be tough to fit into that world. But if anyone can do it, it's them. I think that's really what it comes down to. Something I do want to mention, by the way, as far as strategy goes, one of the big problems that we had with this company is, does the business model work? And obviously, without the internal numbers, we can't fully know, based on cost after shipping, refunds, and all that, are they making profit on the D2C side of things? I'm pretty sure they're making a profit on the retail side of things, but as we know, you give up a lot of margin when you're selling physically in a store. So when you sell through distributors and physical offline retailers, they take a lot of the margin, and yeah, you get big orders, but you also lose that margin. So, as far as a business, that's great, but unless they do huge volume, they're not going to make as much money as they could. And so I think one of the ways that they might be able to bring this score on strategy up is with other products, expanding what they're doing with merch. We were just saying earlier, we're a big fan of what they're doing with their merch and like other ways to monetize the brand. And that, I think, really calls out where this company is going in the future, because right now they're a water company. And a lot of people seem to think that it's cute, it's fun, it's kind of a novelty, which is, the danger that we talked about as far as their positioning, is breaking free from that. But at the same time, that's underestimating what they're doing as a brand, because they're not just a water company. They are an entertainment company that happens to be selling water, and they've done a great job selling water through that company. So where they take that, other products, with merch, with other entertainment deals, with other ways to sort of monetize their audience, if you will. That's huge. And I think that's really the future of where this company is going. We fully understand all those pieces.
Yeah. I mean, they're nailing it. Good job. Good job, Liquid Death. Keep it up. Get some repeat purchasers. Keep doing crazy ideas as far as like your marketing campaigns that nobody would think of besides you. Lots of experiential stuff. Big fan.
Yeah, maybe we'll leave it at this. Keep doing fun shit. We want to see it. It's fun for all of us. It's fun for customers. It's probably a little terrifying for your investors, but we'll keep it rolling. Cool. So that wraps up the teardown of Liquid Death. We're going to do some more teardowns, and when we have the next one, you'll find it drop down below, above, next to us. There's a link somewhere that will point you to it. In the meantime, if you want to connect with us, I run a company called Optomotive, and we help companies launch and scale new brands, new products, and enter into new markets. And Travis, you got some pluggables as well?
Yeah, my name's Travis. I run head of product over at Cinebody. So Cinebody is a video platform, allows any brand of any size to create video with anyone in the world. You decide what video you want, you write out a shot list, and then you direct people through the cloud. That's all captured through their smartphone cameras. Then you put out a video the same day. Give us a shout.
Cool. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I don't know.